said to tell you that the same demons that are laughing now, you just wait to the end, because in the end, you'll be the one laughing at them. In the end, they're going to be the fool. In the end, they're going to be the one regretting it. In the end, they're going to be the one looking silly and looking stupid. And God said to tell you, whatever you do, don't you end up being a fool. You watch what you do now. Watch how you treat people now. Watch who you lie on. Watch who you talk about. Because in the end, it'll be you looking like a fool.